एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या है? एंटरप्रेन्योर कम्स फ्रॉम अ संस्कृत वर्ड। आपकी जो लाइफ में जो चीज की महत्व है, वो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वो कर लो वो टाइम पे, इफ यू कैन अफोर्ड। Yeah, recently I was reading spiritual literature and he told a beautiful thing that the stress comes when the mind and body are not in sync. And people never lose by society. People never lose to society. People only lose to their families.
Hi folks, this podcast is a pretty unique one. We are going on a long drive with Rohan Mehta, the founder of Turtle Wealth. It's a wealth management company who manages $1 million portfolios under their belt. Rohan Mehta is also a financial guru who goes to IIMs and IITs to teach and talk about finance. More than that, he is a man of philosophy. We're going to ask him a lot of questions around philosophy and understand what perception has he learned from his journey of life.
So the Maverick, Rohan Mehta himself.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to our show, Reality Unfiltered. And I think before we begin, एक यूनिक सा आपने सेटअप चूज किया स्पेसिफिकली कि let's have it in a car, let's have something unique.
Yeah.
So I think it's gonna be a great ride.
I was bored speaking in my office, so I thought that let's do something different, right? So, ऐसे क्या different कर सकते हैं? तो गाड़ी, कार, long drive, I like it. So मैंने सोचा चलो long drive पे बात कर लेते हैं.
I'm sure it's gonna be a learningful and insightful long drive.
Hopefully.
We begin. What responsibility does wealth managers have towards the society?
So wealth managers specifically, we are more into the product management rather than wealth management. But yeah, but for the society, it is a very interesting point was been shared by SEBI chairman recently. Is that in financial world there are more mafias than the real mafias in the world, right? So yeah, so SEBI chairman Mrs. Butch told a very beautiful thing that when you are doing a good business, make sure to market it and make it big.
Right.
होता क्या है कि जब आप बहुत अच्छा काम करते हो ना, तो आप सोचते हो कि मार्केटिंग नहीं करना है उसको. और जो अनलीगल काम करते हैं या फॉर एग्जांपल सेबी रेगुलेटेड काम नहीं करते हैं, वो सबको ऐसा लगता है कि यार वो ज्यादा मार्केटिंग कर लेते हैं बिकॉज यू नो दे हैव टू मार्केट इट वेरी वेल. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आजकल आप देखते होगे कि टिप्स वाला या क्रिप्टोज वाला, फॉरेक्स वाला इतने मार्केटिंग करते हैं और अच्छे फंड हाउस मार्केटिंग नहीं करते हैं. एंड फिर हम वही बोलते हैं कि यार पैसा वहां पे जा रहा है बिकॉज वी आर नॉट मार्केटिंग. So I think so the biggest thing for a wealth manager and a genuine SEBI registered wealth management company, one is to reach to the right audience, give the right knowledge to people and do it the right way. Means उसमें फिर because क्या है, Indian financial systems are getting better and better. I may say today that today India's financial system is in the top 3 in the world. Means कोई जगह पे तो top 1 पे ही है. But that we have to take the legacy and make it bigger and bigger. So I think so ऐसा ना हो जाए कि जो अच्छे है वो संन्यास ले ले और जो वो राइट नहीं कर रहे हैं वो ज्यादा मार्केटिंग करे. So I think so wealth management is point to give the right knowledge and one more thing. I believe there are a lot of people who can ask you as a that can we do this, can we do this, which you know that is not right. And to tell investors that, see, you should not do it also and this is not right also. Maybe they will do it. You know, कौन सीखा है किस्सों से सबको हादसे की जरूरत है. But yeah, on to the point is to tell them the right stories.
That's interesting. What is the relationship between mind and body?
Yeah, recently I was reading spiritual literature and he told a beautiful thing that the stress comes when the mind and body are not in sync. Stress is the result of mind and body not in sync. Because for example, mind says that go and work out. Body says, nahi yaar, kuch nahi karna hai, kaun uthega. Body says that, you know, I want rest. Mind says, I want to work. And then the stress is created, right? So, बहुत टफ होता है कि माइंड और बॉडी को एक लेवल पे सिंक लाया जाए. और जब ये माइंड और बॉडी एक लेवल पे सिंक आ जाते हैं, आई थिंक सो मिरेकल स्टार्ट्स टू हैपन इन लाइफ. इट इज health, wealth, family, whatever it is. But yeah, I try to make my body and mind in extreme sync with each other. Though like मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, मैं पता नहीं मैं कितना सक्सेसफुल हूँ, बट या माई प्रोडक्टिविटी कम्स ऑन द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट व्हेन माई बॉडी एंड rather body, soul and mind. I will also take soul that, I love to do it. Like tomorrow, today morning, we are doing this early morning because I love to talk with people. So yeah, that is the only point.
Any practices that you do?
So I feel meditation is one of the best practice to keep your mind and body and be active. क्या हो रहा है अभी आजकल यार, इतना सारा कंटेंट बाहर है ना. आज आप बाहर निकलो, आपके पास इतने सारे होर्डिंग्स है, आप मोबाइल में देखो, आप क्या देख रहे हो और 3 मिनट में तो कहाँ पहुंच जाओगे आपको भी नहीं पता है. फिर आप ईमेल देख रहे हो और आप 4थी मिनट में आप कहीं और हो जाओगे. बिकॉज सो मच ऑफ कंटेंट इज बीन ओवरलोडेड ऑन यू दैट वी टेंड टू फॉरगेट द इनर सेल्फ ऑफ आवरसेल्फ. यार अंदर की जो होते हैं ना अंतर. एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या है? Entrepreneur comes from a Sanskrit word called Antarprerna.
Okay.
It is Sanskrit word, right? What is entrepreneur? is अंतर की प्रेरणा जो होती है, जिसको आप काम करते हो, वो entrepreneur है. तो हमने उसको ऐसे एकदम entrepreneur बोल दिया. अरे वो संस्कृत वर्ड है भाई, अंतरप्रेरणा. तो अगर वो अंतर की प्रेरणा आपको वो मोटिवेट करती है to do things, and it is everything. So I believe that, meditation is one of the things, because we tend to forget to listen to ourselves, and we have started to listen to others more. And that's where the whole problem has started to, when people are more in stress, because उसको लगता है यार वो बोल रहा है सच बोल रहा है, पर मैं तो अपनी सुनता ही नहीं हूँ. So that's where I think so the biggest problem with body and mind has started to come.
I think that also the societal expectations of the fake reality and yourself.
Yeah, means like आज आप पॉडकास्ट कोई मेरा सुन रहा है, आपको लग रहा है कि यार ये क्या बात कर रहा है, यज्ञ पॉडकास्ट ले रहा है, being so young guy. But nobody understands the deep work somebody has done to come to this point of speaking. So yesterday I was in college with 800 students, and somebody asked me that, आप तो भी पहुंच गए हो तो फिलोसॉफिकल बातें कर लोगे, हम तो कहाँ पहुंचोगे. पर ही इज राइट इन वन वे ऑल्सो एंड ही इज रॉन्ग इन वन वे ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आप फिलोसॉफी आप बात तभी कर पाते हो जब आपने एक्शंस में डाला है ये चीज. और एक्शंस में जब डालते हैं, जो अनएक्शन लेते हैं उसको लगता है ये फिलोसॉफी है. पर एक्चुअली वो फिलोसॉफी नहीं है, वो एक टॉक है कि आपकी माइंड बना. शेपिंग ऑफ योर माइंड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज मेंटल फिटनेस I believe over the period of time is so much important. Oh, unbelievable important. Nobody talks on mental fitness. Too much important mental fitness.
Okay. What is the role of suffering in human life?
Suffering is in different context. I believe suffering will come in every stage of life. When my daughter she's first grade, she has to wake up at 6 a.m. to go for school.
Yeah.
And maybe for her that is suffering. Because, kids like to sleep, have fun, suffering. Today I feel to work so much hard is not suffering for me, but to be so disciplined and having same passion every day. Sometimes it takes toll on your head. So suffering will come in every part of life. The only thing is that you just need to understand that's the phase. Tomorrow, new suffering are going to come.
Yeah.
New things are going to come. That is also going to be a suffering. But if you take it with pinch of the salt, that it's not for a reason, it's for a season. When suffering, I certain times means मैंने जब करियर चालू किया था तब we were 7-8 people in a flat. Staying in a flat. The biggest suffering for me was to to go to a lodge and eat food, because lodge में वो आधा एक घंटे की लाइन होती थी. And you work coming back from work and you have to stand 30-40 minutes. Right. Exhausting. You're damn hungry, man. You don't have that much money that you can go to a restaurant and, let's chuck it around. I will go to a restaurant. You don't have that much of money. Now, that was suffering at that point of time. Today, by God's grace, I can afford I can eat every meal in the best of the 5 stars. But today my suffering is that I have to eat extreme healthy food. I can't eat what I could eat when I was 25. So that's my suffering today, that I certain times love certain things, but I know that's not good for my body. I have to skip it around. That's a suffering. So yeah, it's like, and tomorrow, maybe after 5 years, I'll say that, oh, this is my other suffering. So yeah, part of life. Go ahead for it and don't complain. Means the people who are nagger of suffering, मैंने ये किया था, अरे भाई तो उसमें क्या है, everybody does a lot of suffering. And when you see people around who is suffering, means that मैं मुंबई जाता हूँ, मुझे लगता है यार क्या amazing life है हमारी. ऐसे टिक करो, ड्राइवर आ जाता है, ऑफिस और घर 5 मिनट की दूरी पे है, ट्रैफिक लाइफ में है ही नहीं, ह्यूमन वैल्यू कितनी है. वही चीज मैं जब सैन फ्रांसिस्को जाता हूँ, मुझे लगता है क्या हम लाइफ जी रहे हैं यहाँ पे, लाइफ तो वहां पे है. सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग, देन ऑल्सो सफरिंग कम्स ऑन अ वेरी हायर नोट.
Very true. As you're a guest speaker at many places, what are the key messages that you emphasize on while sharing to youth?
Yeah, so I tell to youth that, see, dedication, work karna, I think everybody knows, nothing new. These days, I have a very clear point of being very specific to people. Very specific. So I believe for anyone who is looking for a professional life, there are only 3 KRAs.
Okay.
KRAs, key result areas. For a man and for a lady, and specifically for a man. Because we are into that society where man earns. That's the reason. But yeah, for everyone, is only 3 F. F for freedom. First F is fitness.
Okay.
Great body, great mindset. Means आपको कुछ भी कोई बोल जाए, means आपसे सबसे गंदी कोई बात बोल जाए, आपको आउंस फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. Because that is his or her mindset, not yours. But make sure to put it into archive mode. That this person has told, I'll make sure to prove him or her wrong. Not into the point of कि मुझे बदला लेना है. But, yesterday a student asked me that I want to go forward for stock market as a career. But my relatives are telling me that you are going to do a lot of loss. So what should I do? And I told him nothing you have to do. You make sure that in next 5 years, 10 years, Mercedes or a premium car should be next to your home. You don't have to tell anyone. Yeah, just it. Show by actions. Sachin Tendulkar says that, I don't want to speak by mouth, but by my back. So yeah, fitness for mental and, of course, your body.
Yeah.
Way important. There's nothing, believe me, nothing about mental and physical fitness. Means 100 में से 60-70 is mental and physical fitness.
Okay.
मीन्स इससे ऊपर कुछ है ही नहीं. बिकॉज आप तो ही कर पाओगे कुछ जब आप दोनों की सिंक ऑफ फिटनेस होगी. जो आपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा ना, बॉडी एंड माइंड, दिस इज द फर्स्ट इज फिटनेस, सेकंड इज फाइनेंस, सेकंड एफ इज फाइनेंस. बी सुपर रिच. देयर इज नो अल्टरनेट टू बी नॉट रिच. एंड आई एम नॉट टेलिंग ओनली बाय being a businessman or being anywhere what you do, right? Be rich. It's cool to say that I do without money. But it's stupid when you sleep and you feel that you're doing it without money. Never do it. second is fitness, and third is best friends and family.
Okay.
3 F's. Fit. Best friends and family. Have friends. Have people whom you are associated, who are so larger in life than you. So the average of 5 you are.
Yeah.
So who is your average? 5. 5 years back, my average of 5 was not that great. Today, my average of 5 is amazing. I want anything in life. I know that these are 5-7 people. I just need to call and things will be done. So that sense of reliability in your inner self also gives you boost. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको लगता है कि मेरी गाड़ी में फुल पेट्रोल है, तो आपको कभी डर नहीं लगेगा टू गो एनीवेयर. पर आपको कभी लगता ही रहेगा कि यार मेरे तो एम्प्टी है, तो यू विल बी वेरी कंस्ट्रेंट टू मूव अहेड इन लाइफ.
Yeah.
So make sure that petrol is always full, and that petrol full is your friends and family. Friends and family.
Yeah. The art of letting go. How do you let go?
It's very tough, man. It's very tough for, what happens is the person who is so self-obsessed like me, self-obsessed, and I took too much on me previously, and still I would be taking on me. So anything happens, something which is I don't like, it stays for me for a night.
Only a night.
A night.
Okay.
I am restless for one night. So it's a one night stand for me.
Okay.
For that thing, because I feel, I'll tell you an example. Recently, because of my stupid mistake, 1,53,190 rupees from my account was been fraud हुआ.
Okay.
मेरी mistake के हिसाब से ही. By God's grace, 1,53,000 rupees is not a big thing for me. But the whole night, I could not sleep well, just thinking that how could I be so stupid? मैं दुनिया को ज्ञान देता हूँ फाइनेंस का, और मुझे ही कोई कौन करके चला गया. तो ठीक है, फिर मॉर्निंग आई सेटल्ड आउट दैट ठीक है अभी हो गया. I think so it stays one night for me, and I don't like that thought because it makes me very restless. Rather, I start to think that what I can do more better, that this type of stupidity or this type of things doesn't happen. Like, for example, if somebody says that your product is not good or not well, I may not show to them that I have not liked it, because I am also human, but I make sure I register, and that one night makes me restless. बाकी यार मैं समझता हूँ कि I have a philosophy in life.
Okay.
जो आपके कंट्रोल में है वो राइट हैंड में है. जनरली आई एम राइट हैंडर. और जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है वो लेफ्ट हैंड में है. जो लेफ्ट हैंड में कंट्रोल में है, अभी फॉर एग्जांपल somebody is watching this video would not like. So my point over here is to give you the most authentic and realistic answer without scripted to you in this podcast.
Yeah.
Now, if somebody may like, somebody may not like. Now, I don't give a point to it, right? But yeah, if you give me a feedback after a podcast and tell that if you could do this more better, I'll make sure that in next podcast or whenever we have it next, I will be more better in that area. I'll take feedbacks.
Yeah.
बाकी कोई ठीक है यार, let go कर देने का, कि because पकड़ के कुछ होना है नहीं. You are only hurting yourself when you are holding to yourself. Just let go. जाने दो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. So I'll tell you a very good concept to letting go. One is when you want to just let go things, or it's very heavy in your mind, either you meet your friend. Everybody has different recipes for working on this. Yeah. My point is that either I'll be very silent and I'll just talk with me that what went wrong. Okay. Or either I'll talk with my friends that, yeah, what do you think that what could I have done more better? So there are two things of, me taking out of my body, things which, because every day something comes, यार. Family में कुछ होता है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ कुछ होता है, क्लाइंट्स के साथ होता है, टीम के साथ होता है, अपने आप कुछ साथ होता है, तो yeah, that happens.
I think that is something every teen is looking for.
लेटिंग और दूसरा इसमें और बताऊं कि जो होता है ना वो बढ़िया के लिए होता है. मैंने जितनी भी चीज पे स्ट्रेस लिया है ना लाइफ में वो कभी नहीं हुई है, और जो हुआ है वो पता ही नहीं था क्या होगा. जो मैं बताऊं लाइफ है ना 100 में 80% चीज पे जो हम स्ट्रेस लेते हैं ना वो कभी इशू होता ही नहीं है लाइफ में, या होता होगा तो 1-2 चीज हो जाती है. और जो हो जाती है ना वो कभी प्लान ही नहीं होता है. I have not seen the worst of my times or the lowest of my times which I had predicted कि यार ये ऐसा हो सकता है क्या, होगा ही नहीं, आपको पता ही नहीं है. But I'll tell you the problem of this is that we plan too much that gives you a limitation of not flying too much. मीन्स बहुत मैं यंग बच्चे को या 25-30 यंग एस्पिरेंट्स को मिलता हूँ और बोलते हैं कि नहीं हम तो है ना गाड़ी नहीं लेंगे, हम तो ये नहीं करेंगे, हमको सेव करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. तो बोला ठीक है यार चिल. आपकी जो लाइफ में जो चीज की महत्व है वो पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वो कर लो वो टाइम पे, इफ यू कैन अफोर्ड. मीन्स सब कुछ, बिकॉज हम तो प्रीपेड पे जिंदगी जी रहे हैं बॉस. हमारे पास कोई पोस्टपेड नहीं है जो लाइफ टाइम चलने वाला है. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू गो आउट ऑफ लाइफ वी डोंट नो. So if you find that, okay, I am happy to do this, it's my passion or I want to do it, and my finance is allowing me to do it, don't delay. Okay. Because happiness is a very important part of life. तो पैसा कभी बन जाएगा फिर और बन जाएगा 30, 40, 50 पे, वो टाइम नहीं आएगा फिर से. So I'll give an example, like for example, I always wanted to have the best bikes in my life. Okay. Best. तो पैसा नहीं था. पैसा नहीं था. आज पैसा है पर बाइक चलाने में डर लगता है जस्ट बिकॉज कि यार योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन योर लाइफ इज सो हाई टुडे. इतना सारा पैसा लगा है मेरे पे ऑफ द फंड कि आई कैन नॉट टेक स्टूपिड रिस्क ऑफ ड्राइविंग अ फास्ट बाइक एंड टेकिंग माई लाइफ एज अ वेरी मीन्स अनसीरियसली मैं नहीं सकता हूँ. आई कैन अफोर्ड एनी बाइक, बट नाउ द माई प्रॉब्लम इज डिफरेंट. तब पैसा नहीं था, पर तब अगर होता तो आई वुड हैव नॉट माइंड टू टेक अ बाइक एंड ड्राइव, एंड आई वुड नॉट हैव थॉट कि मैं ये 25 लाख रुपए मैंने स्टॉक में डाल दिए होते तो आज क्या हो जाता. अरे वो जो हो जाता पर वहां पे टाइम चला गया मेरा. So when I want to drive a car, I want to drive the best car. I want to do the best things, and I don't care कि पैसा कहाँ पे जाना है, क्या करना है. Because see, पैसा तो बनना ही है अगर if your state of happiness is state of mind is very happy and you feel accomplished. But when you feel नहीं मुझे तो ये सेविंग करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, माइंडसेट ही इतना फिर वहां पे चला जाता है ना कि आपको abundance of life आती ही नहीं है. And जब abundance नहीं आती है तो आप बड़ा पैसा या बड़ी साइज का काम कर ही नहीं पाओगे. So make sure that tomorrow when if you can afford drive in a business class only. If you can afford take a premium 5-star only. So I'm not telling कि कल उठ के credit card पे जाओ. No. Yeah. But if you can afford, don't go forward for a normal thing. Because so I'm finding a flat, right? Okay. So we are 4 in home. My parents stays in native. If they also come, we would be 6. I want a very huge flat. So one of my friend told that, why you want a very huge flat? Yeah, such 6, 3-4 BHK is enough for you. And I asked him that when you travel, why you travel in a 5-star? आप तो रात सोने ही जाते हो. तो बोला नहीं यार 5-star और आता था. That's what? You're staying at a place, you want to stay at the best place. And that best place gives you the vibration to become more best in what you are doing.
Yes. So आज की यूथ में it's very common to see that they lack a purpose, or the saying that one should have a why in their life. But यहाँ पे there's neither why and thoughts keep altering. So what can they do maybe to find the sense of their purpose in why?
मेरा पर्पस वाई मुझे मिला था 30-35 पे. तो ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है पहले से पर्पस कोई मिल जाएगा. मीन्स ये हम क्या है 2-3 लोगों का एग्जांपल लेके हम सोच जाते हैं कि उसको वाई मिल गया तो हमको भी वाई मिल जाएगा. There are certain times people get their why at 45-50.
Right.
You don't know your whys यार, मीन्स इतना भी हम नहीं है, पर I just would say to how to find a why rather than, the problem of not finding a why is to sit with yourself, to talk with you. What do you want? What do you like? And answer is beneath you only. देखो 80% आपके पास आंसर है, 20% आपके सराउंडिंग के पास आंसर है. And you ask yourself, so when I took stock market as a career, and I'm talking 2004-5, where stock market was the worst profession on the earth, especially for a Gujarati Jain family. Everybody feels कि सब गुजराती स्टॉक मार्केट करते हैं, वो मिथ है. कुछ कोई सब करते नहीं है. आजकल होता है, मैं 20 साल पहले की बात कर रहा हूं. So somewhere down the line, I talked with myself and I thought that for a lower IQ person like me, and with a not extraordinary talent, and to be rich, this is the one of the best way if I can do it. So I talked with myself, but I don't want to get rich by doing the wrong things. I want to get rich by doing the right things. That tomorrow nobody goes to my father and tells that ये तेरे बेटे ने इतने पैसे गवा दिए या ये गवा दिए. Rather people come and say that, oh, I heard I've invested with Rohan and this much money I have made. Because see, at the end of the day, people would love to get a positive feedback from you, especially your family. When my daughter goes to someone, she doesn't want to hear, or I would not like that she hears that her father is not ethically on ethical ground.
Right.
So that is very important thing, because this all take a lot of stress in your life. कि आपके पास पैसा है पर आपके घर वाले आपको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते. And people never lose by society. People never lose to society. People only lose to their families. Nobody who does suicide is because of the society pressure. People do suicide because of only family pressures.
Yeah.
Never in life.
What do you think kills most people's dream?
I think so. It's lack of lot of reasons, man. It could be laziness, not taking actions, not taking risk, not doing the right things. So I was talking to one of my friend, and he was talking. He's in diamond industry, and he was talking that diamond is not doing good and all that stuff, and CVT is doing so good. So I told, why don't you go for CVTs? And he told, no, I will only go to diamond with no CVTs or not. मतलब किसने लिखा है कि डायमंड्स ही करना है? And adaptability के the adaptation of the things what are going to change.
Right.
And accepting it that, okay, my point is to do this, but I don't think so this will work anymore. I have to do something which will work. It's also a very important thing. बहुत टाइम क्या होता है, हम स्टक हो जाते हैं कि नहीं यही है. तो देखो, everybody is different. My point is that जब तक मुझे मजा नहीं आता है ना कुछ भी करने में, मैं कर ही नहीं पाता. मीन्स मैं एकदम मैं 0-100 हूँ. कोई जगह पे मैं इतना अमेजिंग हूँ और कोई जगह पे मैं वर्स्ट हूँ. मीन्स मैं लेजीनेस का एपिटोम हूँ और कई जगह पे मैं प्रोडक्टिविटी का भी एपिटोम हूँ. पर कोई जगह पे जैसे यार अकाउंट्स मुझे पसंद ही नहीं आता है. अकाउंट्स करना मैं करता ही नहीं हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव एन अमेजिंग टीम हु डज फॉर इट, वो अलग चीज है, पर मैं नहीं कर पाता हूँ यार चीज. तो ठीक है, पर यू हैव टू फाइंड योर ओन निश, डिस्टिंक्ट फोर्टे जिसको बोलते हैं. देखो, एक जगह पे आप अमेजिंग हो, एक जगह पे आप वेरी गुड हो, एक जगह पे आप गुड हो और एक जगह पे आप बैड हो. ठीक है, लेट मी टेक माई एग्जाम्पल. आई बिलीव दैट आई एम अ ग्रेट स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट. I'm very good into it, or excellent, distinct for that. I'm very good at maybe presentation. I'm good at maybe certain things. Maybe it could be reading a report or something. Good or average means type. And I would be bad at accounts. Problem is that our society or our parents have told that weakness को strength बनाओ. वो बन ही नहीं सकती है. अब बने ही नहीं हो उसके लिए. अब वीकनेस को स्ट्रेंथ बनाओगे तो आप मीडियोकर, बैड से मीडियोकर हो जाओगे. पर बेस्ट तो हो ही नहीं पाओगे. सो जो जहां पे आप अमेजिंग हो वहां पे सबसे बेस्ट करो और उसको ही सर्वश्रेष्ठ बनाओ. और बाकी का जहां पे आप लेयर में लो हो वहां पे टेक अ राइट टीम. ठीक है, तो कंप्लीट है यार. तो मैं आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू वर्क टुडे बिकॉज आई ओनली वर्क फॉर द थिंग्स विच मेक्स मी हैप्पी एंड आई हैव टेकन द चॉइस इन लाइफ लाइक दैट.
राइट.
कि भाई मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल ओल्ड माइंडसेट बोलता है कि इतने सारे टीम को क्या लेने की जरूरत है, सैलरी को क्या देने की जरूरत है. बट वाई यू आर डूइंग इट बिकॉज यू हैव हायर्ड द टीम टू डू द थिंग्स विच यू आर नॉट गुड एट एंड यू फोकस ऑन द थिंग्स विच यू आर गुड एट. पीरियड. दैट्स इट.
Yeah.
So I have a chauffeur, right? My home and my office is 5 minutes far. Why need a chauffeur? Because driving is not my KR है. मैं बैठ के 10 मिनट में 2 फोन कॉल कर दूंगा तो मैं धंधा ज्यादा कर पाऊंगा ना भाई.
हाँ.
तो वो मुझे उसकी सैलरी बचाने में मैं शायद एक मेरा क्लाइंट हो जाए तो मेरी जिंदगी भर की उसकी सैलरी वो एक क्लाइंट एक मीटिंग में करवा देगा. So yeah.
So let's finish off with what advices you want to give to the youth.
कोई एडवाइस देनी नहीं है भाई. ये यूथ को एडवाइस दोगे तो यूथ को पसंद ही नहीं आएंगे हम. कोई एडवाइस देनी नहीं है. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट कि भाई मेहनत करो. ओवर टाइम ओवरनाइट सक्सेस इज 10 years. People are into the fallacy of getting successful very fast, which I believe it takes its own sweet time. So हाँ, और बहुत हॉप मत करो. मैं बहुत लोगों को देखता हूं कि पीपल जंप इनटू डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस. क्या होता है, एक दिन है कि नहीं मुझे मार्केटिंग करना है, मार्केटिंग करना है, मार्केटिंग करना है. फिर होता है नहीं मुझे एडवर्टाइजिंग करना है, अभी सोशल मीडिया करना है, सोशल मीडिया करना है, सोशल मीडिया करना है. फिर नहीं अभी तो स्टॉक मार्केट करना है, अभी स्टॉक मार्केट बहुत अच्छा है, अभी डायमंड करना है. पीपल विल नॉट गिव यू रिस्पेक्ट इफ यू hop your professions so much, because people want to work with the people who are straight-headed, professional, and who are passionate about their own thing. तो पैशन तो कैसे आता है, रोज मेरा पैशन तो चेंज नहीं हो सकता है ना. मैं रोज तो ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता हूँ कि आज मैं स्टॉक मार्केट में हूँ, कल मैं टेक्सटाइल में चला जाऊंगा, मेरा पैशन वहां पे है. It can be possible, man. You have a skill for doing it, right? So मेरा पैशन नहीं तो हॉप मत करो. एक चीज पे फोकस करो और ऐसी चीज करो जहां पे यू कैन सी. आई टेल यू, इन स्टार्टिंग स्टेज ऑफ योर लाइफ, if you work really smarter, not harder,
Okay.
there will be time where you are giving too much of work but you are earning less.
Okay.
कि आपको लगता है मैं कितना काम कर रहा हूं, मुझे तो पैसा ही नहीं मिल रहा है इतना. But in a later stage of your life, after 10-15 years, you'll start to understand now you're working lesser and you're making more. But it will not happen if you don't do the first stage of life.
Right.
So ये I don't know why lot of people come and say that ये मैं इतना काम कर रहा हूँ, मुझे पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है. अरे भाई, पर तू पैसा कमाने के लिए काम ही नहीं कर रहा है, तू एक्सपीरियंस के लिए काम कर रहा है. तू पैसा कमाने के लिए काम तो कब करेगा, जब यू विल इन्वेस्ट 5 years 6 years into this profession. यू आर पेड बाय डूइंग. तो नहीं मैं इतना दे रहा हूं तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे नहीं करना है, एंड आई विल डू समथिंग एल्स. एंड वो समथिंग एल्स में मजा नहीं आता है, बिकॉज दे थॉट दैट यहां से मैं वहां जाऊंगा तो मुझे बहुत मजा आ जाएगा. जैसे मैं स्कूल में था तब मैं ऐसा सोचता था कि मैं ट्यूशन में पढ़ लूंगा. ट्यूशन में था तो मैं ऐसा सोचता था मैं घर पे पढ़ लूंगा. घर पे था तब मैं सोचता था मैं स्कूल में पढ़ लूंगा. मैं पढ़ता कहीं नहीं था. सो वाई मीन्स हॉप मत करो यार. मीन्स एक जगह पे टिके रहो. एनवीडिया का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम अभी क्या है, एनवीडिया इतनी बड़ी कंपनी हो गई है कि जितने उसके एम्प्लॉय, जो पुराने एम्प्लॉय थे, वो सब $100 million प्लस हो गए इस ऑफ से.
Okay.
है ना. तो कोई किसी को काम ही नहीं करना है, सबको लग गया कि अभी 100 मिलियन हो गए लाइफ में, और क्या चाहिए भाई अपने को. तो एनवीडिया का पर 100 million टुडे इज लाइक यू टॉकिंग 0.001% ऑफ पीपल अक्रॉस.
Yeah.
You know? And I can tell more things like, be very fit. Don't, you can't afford to not to look good. People will give you money on the first impression of what you are, how well you are, your t-shirt, your shirt, your trousers, your beard, your hair, your, nails, your socks, your shoes, your handkerchief, your pen, everything matters. Every damn thing matters. Or else you don't care anything and you want to be that nerd. You're not, when I'm talking when you are facing humans. If somebody says that I don't face humans, I only talk with computers, then you are in your you are in your pajama, doesn't make any difference. But when you're talking with humans, when you're interacting with humans, you need to, I understood this at 40.
Okay.
That how well you should look. For a good 5 years, I used to wear black t-shirt and blue jeans and sneakers. We met first. When we met, I used to only wear that. And I completely changed myself. Because I understood that professions and your attire are very much linked with each other. So make sure that you're very presentable, because at the end of the day, and one more thing, I'll just add, I tell my daughter, she's in 8th grade, that you do anything in life. I don't care. Anything. But you have to do 2 things.
Okay.
One, you have to do an MBA degree.
Okay.
Because MBA is not about job, but MBA is about managing things in a very professional way. MBA, you're mandatory you have to do. From where you can choose. That is not. And second, you have to learn one skill mandatory, and that is how to sell.
How to say?
माल बेचना आना चाहिए. Either you are selling yourself, or either you are selling your services, products, or whatever.
Yeah.
Yourself means आप अपने आप को means आज for example social media में क्या हो रहा है? You're selling yourself.
Right.
Right? That I am this professional person. I am good. Please buy my services because I am good.
Right.
So, and the last advice or nahi par recommendation I'll say is that be very, very serious about social media game. You have to be on social media.
Okay.
You can't deny not to be on social media. But make sure that you are a product, not a consumer of social media. क्या होता है कि we tend to become the consumer of social media. Make sure that आपकी रील्स लोग देखे, नहीं कि दूसरों की रील आप देखो. That's how social media game has to be. I'll give an example. I just recorded in Surat that it's 2 a.m. and we are following signals. 2 a.m. and following signals. It's just a 5-second or 10-second reel I took and posted on social media. I got 13,000 likes. The heart. And account reached to 6 lakh views of that reel. And there were 5,000 shares of that reel. Now, somewhere around, this germ of who is Rohan Mehta would have been implemented in someone's mind.
Right.
So, social media means your profile is your social media. Make sure your LinkedIn is up to date. And this I'm talking for all the professional people.
Yeah.
I'm sure all the audiences who wants to take their life professionally. Second, make sure your Instagram has a lot of right content. Who can, people should come to a conclusion that what type of a person you are. Right? And third is that having the right Twitter account also. Okay. Twitter is a very important part. Twitter, I think so in all the social media game, the most serious is LinkedIn on the professional side. But on every side, if you can see, Twitter is the most believed medium of putting things around.
Okay.
Because if you want to find really serious people, you'll find a lot on Twitter and LinkedIn. So अगर आप Instagram, अभी तो क्या है, सब जगह पे वीडियोस आ गए हैं.
हाँ.
ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जहाँ पे ये रील्स नहीं आई है. और make sure to be there. I tell people, people come to us and say that we are not on social media, and they take proud. No, be on social media.
Times have changed.
Times have changed. You can't be like what someone does when they want to know how this person is.
Stalk their profile.
That's it. So if you are doing the same for someone else, someone else are going to do the same for you. Then why on the earth you are not there?
Yeah.
You have to be, you share things, and I'm not telling के रोज कुछ ट्वीट करो, रोज कुछ लिखो, नहीं कुछ मत करो. But make sure that you be there and you are accessible. Second, means like I tell people that, you don't take my card, you do Google. So, for example, you do Google Rohan Mehta images. The first, there would be like how many millions of Rohan Mehta in the world. Because Rohan and Mehta both are a very common surname and name, right?
Yeah.
The first 3 search you will get is of mine. So, मैं भी गूगल में मैं 2-3 दिन में ट्राई करता हूँ कि रोहन मेहता पे कौन आ रहा है. We have to find ourselves, right? That कोई रोहन मेहता कर रहा है तो पहले कौन रोहन मेहता आ रहा है, क्यों वो पॉपुलर है, मैं यही हूँ.
Even I do that.
I think so. It's nothing wrong to do that, right?
Yeah.
तो यार means मेरा तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मेरा दोनों चीज बहुत पॉपुलर है. है ना. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यज्ञ बिसानी, मुझे नहीं पता है कि कितने यज्ञ बिसानी और होंगे. आई एम श्योर होंगे ही, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा. पर हु कम्स रोहन मेहता टर्टल पे, हु कम्स. सो दैट्स वेयर इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So make sure that you are accessible, people listen to you, because more people listen to you, more people will see your work, more people want to work with you. Nobody wants to work with people who are lower than them.
Right.
See, and second, last thing, or maybe, we can cut this also, is that how people respect you. I have done a great study on this.
Okay.
People respect you by 2 things. Either your knowledge or either your money. Right?
True.
You have too much of money, whatever you say is right. Generally.
Yeah.
On a general point. So, now, maybe most of the listeners would not have too much of money because they are young chaps who are, looking forward for career. Then you make sure that you have a lot of knowledge.
Yeah.
Because when you talk to someone, they should feel this guy is well read, well heard, and well spoken. So people will start to give you respect of what you are doing. Because पैसा तो है नहीं आपके पास, तो वैसे तो आपको पैसे से तो रिस्पेक्ट होना है नहीं, तो अभी कौन से रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा आपको? Only respect you can get it is from, telling right things to right people. And then you start to get money because your services are being preferred. Then you start getting money. And when you have Saraswati ji and Lakshmi ji both in your roof, तो फिर क्या बोलते हैं, heaven is in home only. Heaven तो आपको देखने जरूरत ही नहीं है. So make sure that you are too well read.
Okay.
Well read. means बहुत सारे लोगों को resumes आते हैं. My hobby, music, traveling, reading. मैं पूछता हूँ क्या पढ़ा है आपने, कौन सी बुक पढ़ी है? And they would say that नहीं, मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले ये बुक पढ़ी थी. ठीक है, बढ़िया, बताओ उसमें क्या सीखा आपने? अभी याद नहीं है. That means that you are a big no, because as such you don't have any great skill. Plus you don't have knowledge also. So, means Motilal ji told a very beautiful story way back 2000. 9-10 to me.
Okay.
To the door of Lakshmi ji, you have to pass to the door of Saraswati ji.
Okay.
Because one day Lakshmi ji and Saraswati ji भगवान के पास गए. लक्ष्मी जी ने बोला कि मुझे आप भगवान वरदान दो. मैंने आपका इतना सेवा किया है लाइफ में. भगवान ने बोला कि हाँ ठीक है, चलो वरदान. तो किसी को कुछ भी दे सकती है, पर लेने का हक मेरे पास रहेगा, वापस लेने का.
Okay.
तो भगवान को लगा कि यार लक्ष्मी जी ने मांगा है, पर सरस्वती जी ने तो मांगा ही नहीं है कुछ, तो मुझे उसको भी देना पड़ेगा. तो भगवान ने बोला अब इसीलिए तूने मांगा नहीं है ना, इसीलिए देने का हक तेरा, लेने का हक मेरा नहीं.
Okay.
सो दैट इज द रीजन लक्ष्मी जी जब आते हैं तो वो चंचल होते हैं. आते भी वही स्पीड से है, जाते भी वही स्पीड से है.
हाँ.
पर सरस्वती जी जिसके पास आ गए वो कभी जाते नहीं है. इफ यू हैव गेन्ड द नॉलेज, nobody can take knowledge
वो
from
तो
you.
जाएगा ही नहीं. हाँ.
कैसा जा सकता है? पर somebody would have given you $1 million. There's a probability that $1 million can go out tomorrow from your bank.
हाँ.
So make sure to respect Saraswati ji so much, because that's the only thing which is going to stay for you, that is wisdom. So the most in Bible it is written, Solomon, God ने उसको पूछा कि क्या चाहिए तुझे, तो generally people ask for 3 W's: wealth, wine और woman.
Yeah.
3 W's, right? तो उसने बोला कि मुझे 4th W चाहिए, and that is wisdom. And that is the reason he has been called as the most wise man on the earth, as per the biblical process.
Okay. हाँ.
Right? तो विजडम के पीछे भागो, वो 3 Idiots का कोट है ना कि एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागो, कामयाबी आएगी. एक्सीलेंस क्या है? इज ग्रेट विजडम टू डू इट. एंड लास्टली इज बीइंग ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट. ब्रूटली मीन्स इतना ब्रूटल ऑनेस्ट हो जाओ अपने आप से कि हाँ यार बात सही है यार, आई हैव टू वर्क आउट ऑन इट. मैं मीडियोकर हूं यहाँ पे, आई नीड टू वर्क आउट ऑफ दिस. मुझे बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है, मुझे टू वर्क आउट ऑफ दिस. ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट कि भाई ये, एंड नॉट बाय डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग एनीवन, बीइंग ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट कि भाई वो ये है तो मैं उसको ऑनेस्टली बोलूं तो बेकार लग रहा है. नहीं. ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट ऑन योरसेल्फ कि यार यहाँ पे आई एम नॉट गुड. हाउ टू इंप्रूव. सो 5 months back I was at 80 kgs. Today I am 73. In next 2 months I would be 68. I would have the best. I would have be with the best physique, because at 80 when I went to that scale I thought, no yaar, I cannot be this. No, I have to be so fit. And yeah, being brutally honest. Yeah. So I hope I've taken more time, but yeah. You can cut out things. So I thought that some content maybe you can use it here and there.
I'm sure जब कंटेंट अच्छा होता है तो people get hooked.
हाँ,
That is,
of course.
नहीं तो पहले ही काट देते. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the drive. Thank you for the 4th W as well.
Yeah, thank you. Welcome. It was a great thing. And I'm very happy at what age you are doing what. And I wish, a lot of success and learning in your endeavor. And make sure that whatever you are doing, you make money out of it. No social services.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.